Hello girls, this is Ruchika ma'am for you for this video for this week. The video will be sent to you today. See and follow it very nicely. Now remember, last day I have shown you the stick, right? I told you if you don't have thick wired stick or if you don't have any other stick at home, you can use your old broomstick and then cover it with this green tape. If you do not get this green tape due to any reason from the market, then you can even use green color on this. It's up to you how you want to do the work. Okay, number 2. This is the first work. Now second. I have already shown in the last video petals and how these petals we are going to join the wire. This is very thin wire, you can see, and I told you will join the wire with the petals. Now you can see it is almost joined from the tip and then leave some space below. So I have already made 5-6 petals and this will be used in one step. How I have used this? I have used Fevicol on this. You can even use Dendrite on this. Even you can use hot glue gun. But I think why to waste your hot glue gun on this? Because Fevicol will work very nicely. Okay, so just use Fevicol. The wire, keep the petal on your surface. Keep the wire on the petal and place Fevicol over there. Leave it to dry for around an hour, half an hour or so, and the petal will dry. Then I have shown you. Then we have already made in the last 2 weeks. We have made flowers of 2 kinds. One using 3 petals like bud and a proper flower which is blue. Now how are we going to adjust this flower on the stem? Okay, and this is how are we going to arrange the flowers along with the leaves on the stem. Okay, now this is our stem and we are going to, for the very first, you can select, and we are going to make one color, one stem. We are not going to use both the colors or the same stem. So we will be needing 2 of this kind, right? So I'll be doing one for you. Video will be sent to you, and the same way you are going to do one more in your own arrangement once I teach you, and you will show me in the next Google Meet class. Okay guys? Yes. So, and already we have done this also. We have used this tape, and see here we have covered the tip of the flower till just half of the length of the wire so that it looks neat. Okay. How do we start the work? Tip of the wire, tip of the stem, wire. Now we will just say place around 1 inch gap, and then the rest wire, hold it tightly. The rest wire, what are we going to do? We are just going to rotate it. For the first time, 1 inch we leave here, and then the rest wire we rotate. Then take petal. Petal won't be left or petal won't be adjusted like this. No. You will adjust the petal from the very beginning of this. The end of the petal will be, we will join this over here. Okay, somewhat like this. Just keep it like this. Then again we take second flower. Okay. Then we do the same process is repeated. Okay. Again we can take a petal, because the petal was this side. Now we can take this petal this side. Okay. Again we are going to take the flower. I told you your flower arrangement can be of 5, can be of 6, can be of 7 flowers. It's up to you how many flowers you want to use it in a stem, but not less than 4. 5 will be very good, 6 very very good, but not less than 4. Okay, no one is going to make a stem out of 5 flowers. And girls, always remember the length of your stem. Near about, you will arrange the flowers and the leaves somewhere in the uppermost part and leave 1/4 part of the stem unworked. We will leave this part around 1/4 of the stem for nothing. It will be just clear. We will leave it like that only. We are not going to use it for the arrangement. Can you see this? Now, what is the last step left? Again, this will be little tricky, but if you see me, no tricks. We take it from the tip. Now this is my tip. Okay. Now if you are uncomfortable with the roll, take some tape and tear it. Now just see, I have taken how much? Not even the length of the stem. So I will start my working from here, and it should be very smart working. Use it in a thick manner. Try to cover all the ends. No problem. You can disturb the flower and the petals here. Arrange it. Keep on. Go. Oh, torn. Now what? Nothing. You can again start from there where you have left, because I have already told you that this tape is a sticky tape. It gets fixed to this particular, to any surface. Any surface means to this workout surface very easily. There is no problem at all. If it tears, no problem in between. If you have to give second fold, third fold, no problem at all. Okay, you just have to see that whatever you have arranged, if you are moving it, I suppose this flower, right? I have arranged this here, and this petal was here, then this flower was here. If I want to give it a more round, I can give it and I can put it here. Okay, so now I am coming here. Here again it is torn, no problem. Start this tape moving again around and round and round here. See, it's breaking for so many times. It's okay. Do not get worried about the tape. Why it is tearing all the time, ma'am? No, there is no problem. You don't have to look for this. It is tearing? Okay. Do not worry. If it is not tearing, then also do not worry. My one petal has gone somewhere. Yes. So I can just adjust this petal once again over here with this. Okay, so nothing to worry, and this is the best thing of this green tape. See, I have completed my tape over here. Now I need more tape. So what I'm going to do, because I need more tape, no worries at all. Why no worries? Because I've already told you, we don't have to worry in this work. We can always, yes. Okay, so now what is the workout? Again we are going to take little tape. Don't take more tape. Okay, again we are going to take little tape, and then we start the work round and round and round and round and round. Only see that the flower and the petal which you are using, which you are trying to, yes, fix it over here, they are in their proper position where you want them to be. Okay, in their proper position means where you want them to be. And then again it is breaking, no problem. If it is breaking, I'll just use it once again, my this green tape, and I am revolving it around, and I am taking it in a round motion, and taking and I am taking it in a round motion. Again it has broken, no problem, because this is a flexible one, it can break. It is gummy one, it can break. And then here I go. Just see. Now you can arrange your flowers up you want in a manner where you want to show your flower arrangement in a different manner. Okay, and you can take a bottle and just keep it there. Why have we left a space over here, girls? Because when you are placing it in the pot, it needs to be standing. So when you place it in the pot, you need at least this much area to go, and then these flowers will be seen. You can make it more heavy. You can use a flower here or here, till here, not more down. Okay. Thank you, girls. See this video again. If you suppose have any problem, see this video again. If still you have any problem, you want to know something, talk to me over WhatsApp. Send me message, and then in the next class, over Gmeet class, you can always have a see how nice it looks. When you make the other one, other color, it will look very nice. So yes, the next week we are going to make the other one, and then the flower arrangement, the flower work will be completed. Thank you so much. Stay safe, be happy, do your work.